rain a cause? You alright? The rain a trigger your asthma. Come in. You saw me, I tell you. I could go inside.
I know why you want to go inside.
No, bro, seriously. If your asthma act up, come, I could go inside. Come. How the baby?
Baby? You don't how much, Trevor?
11 hours.
She a big girl now. She ain't a baby.
She a my baby. She a my baby till she reach all 50. Come. So, babe. She not come back from country.
About that. She not come yet.
Why? She not have school.
Babe, that is something we have to talk about.
So talk.
She decided to stay with her grandma.
She decide. So what the mother?
Me. But she have a voice in her, Trevor. And remember, our grandma grew her from she a baby. So, we just make sure stay with her and our grandma not have no problem.
So hold on. Let me ask you something. You couldn't call me and talk to me about this. Eh? That means that she got change school now. The friend them she have at the school. She have to go find new friend now and all of them something. Eh?
It's not that serious. I don't know she did that before, you know. So she have her friend them. I understand how you feel, but we have to go just work with it because she has a right. And you don't want her to rebel, babe.
So when me I go see her? Once a week? Once a month?
Trevor, she can see you anytime and you can see her anytime. She can come up on weekends, you know. But look at it. If she come up and go school, Portmore I have to go. And if I go Portmore, Dave over Portmore. And we don't want to deal with Dave.
I think you should have even worry about Dave. You know? And I think you might go bother you again.
What you do? What? You sure?
Not positive.
You know, some receive a text message from Dave today.
How it say?
You call him Miss Camille, and him say, if him ever say anything bad to me or hurt me, I'm sorry. And him say, Mafo, you know, have a good life and wish me all the best.
Finally come to his senses.
What that mean? You sure you not do nothing?
No.
Alright. If you say so.
It open. So we're gonna do this. Mega ask, are you gonna talk? Well, because it's secret, my life with you is an open book. Because I'm gonna believe in a secret. And you see with me, is a girl believes that one man alone to my good good. So one man alone in my life before you. 1 month to my good, yes, I'm not supposed to deal with this. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not supposed to have to go through this.
So like how you start talk. Me I go ask you if you are gonna make me talk.
Nobody need that stuff from tax there.
What exactly you want to know about?
First thing me want to know is why you so hot and why the place lock up. Next thing is everything. You can't have me come over here and you just tell me what you feel like, but tell me. So all this time we have play police and thief. Yeah, the police for you?
Patsy, I know you have some ideas, so I'm not tell you everything. But there's a reason why I don't tell you.
Interesting. Do go on.
See where this man? Special police. We don't work with the JCF. We work with a secret agency. And that means it's supposed to remain a secret.
So now, a meeting say you being a secret agent, that means say you'll be a secret to regular people that may meet in supermarkets, people that may sit on the road. But something about this just not right. You mean to tell me say you're supposed to be one secret to the woman who you sleep with, not the same bed with, and tell all the other secrets them too?
Let me explain something. See, the fact that I'm an agent before I meet you is a part of the agency. I have to know who I talk to fully before we can discuss anything to them about the agency. And the truth is, Patsy, we really just meet.
Oh? It's a nice thing. What just a meet? So that means you don't know me. So that means you tell me the bump flick. I'm going to go for my head tap. You never know me.